Hello, welcome to the box room. This is called the Neatest Dance. And there's many other things to look at here. I'm going to click on classical. Oh, is that what I just did? Okay, back up. Folk. Barn dance. Let's see what that is. Sounds like square dancing. Cool. There's something here called Cajun casserole. Let's see. And here is Resin the Bow. I think it started again. So we'll switch over to, what is this? Sailor's hornpipe. Cool. I think that is all of them. Let's see what else we can find. Oh. No. Jazz blues. Sorry. Boogie Woogie. Interesting. Fast changes. Let's see what this is. Jazz blues is next. That didn't sound good. But it's okay. Oh my. This looks complicated. started over. Jazz Waltz. Alright. This is called Generic Jazz with a J. And now we'll go to something called Rock Blues. And we'll go back to the parents directory. And miscellaneous. Alright. Let's see what's in miscellaneous. Common Realm. And now, Farajaka. And now, Greensleeves. Ooh, this looks complicated. La Morte de Jacques, whatever that means. Now, the Grand Waltz. Oh, I should play. Should press play. Oh, long time ago. I'm not sure what this is. I've never seen this word. But we'll play it. Okay. Row your boat. I wonder if this is really what it sounds like. I wonder if it is. Row, row, row your boat. It is what it is. This is called the Minimalist. Ooh, looks pretty exotic. Alright. Looks like we need to go back to the parent directory. And look at progressions. Oh, there's 8. has 5. Let's try one called Rock 1. Oh my, this looks kind of simple. Okay, so these look like things maybe to help you put things together. I think we're gonna... Oh, no. Sorry, I did the wrong thing. Load. Oh, was that the one? Oh, Rock 1. Right, had to wait. Oh, maybe we've been here already. Yes, I believe we have. I don't know if I did a good groove, though. I just don't remember. Well, that looks like all that's on there. So we'll quit. And put this disc into the box of musical things, which seemed to be pretty okay. The next box is marked Games, Shoot 'em Ups. I have not looked at this. I will glance quickly. Emerald Mines, Marble Madness, SDI, Adept, Galileo, Skyfox, Marauder, maybe something else, Laser Chess, Mindwalker. Oh, there's a whole bunch of things on here. But that's, as they say, is for another day. So I think I will reboot, as one does from time to time, and we'll see you again perhaps tomorrow. Signing off from the box room, David Bradley. Bye for now.